My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware that is called POLINA. POLINA is a special ransomware type infection that attacks Windows computers right now. This particular ransomware is able to essentially damage the files which people store on their hard drives. You can now clearly see that before the ransomware attack we can open the files without any problems. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks in the defense of the specific computer, this POLINA ransomware may be injected into the device. And then people realize that they cannot use their documents anymore. All this data is damaged and encrypted by this POLINA ransomware. And now you can clearly see the consequences, the results of the ransomware attack. The ransomware drops this ransom note, which is called read help. It says that the files are encrypted and that you need to pay the ransom for file recovery and to contact the developers using this email address or Telegram account. The ransomware is called POLINA because it adds this POLINA extension to the files. It's not possible to open these files, and if you remove the extension manually, this does not fix the issue. The files are still encrypted and damaged. Now, my recommendation is that you immediately remove this ransomware, and I suggest that you do that with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. To download it, you will need to use Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts may also be modified by this ransomware. So, go to the page combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner antivirus, install the program, and begin researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. Most likely the program would first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. The scanning itself might take several minutes, it depends on various factors. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature called anti-ransomware, which allows you to add one or even several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait until the scanning is successfully accomplished. Then at the end of the scan, Combo Cleaner would give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed. Of course, Combo Cleaner not only detects ransomware, it is able to detect threats like adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimization tools, pop-ups, push notifications that are not decent, and other types of malware that is currently circulating in the internet. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know the locations of these threats. I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium. This is the best solution to keep your data always protected.